Hi there, Jack here. In this video, I'll talk about establishing, securing, and protecting your brand online. Once you've worked out a name for your online empire, make sure your website name is using my serum. What's Jack's domain serum? A domain name that's short, easy to type, relevant to your business, unique to the internet, and memorable for your visitors. Your domain name is how people will find and remember your name online. So, be sure to use my serum to help your future visitors. Once you've registered a domain name, it's always a good practice to consider registering any additional domain names that are relevant to your brand online. Why, you ask? Well, it's important to keep your brand name protected from others by registering other relevant domain extensions. This reduces the risk of losing website visitors or causing customer confusion. Let's say I've just registered a domain name for my business, jacksbicycles.com.au. As much as I love it, Jack is a pretty common name, and there's nothing to stop some other Jack from registering jacksbicycles.com. Having two Jack's Bicycle websites on the World Wide Web could harm my business. So to avoid this, I'll register jacksbicycles.com as well. This secures my brand and protects my name. Not every business needs to register additional domains, but it's always worth considering, especially when setting up your website's first address. Remember, if you have any questions or need any help, contact our local technical support team. They're available 24/7. Oh, look, Jack's.bike is available. Yes, please.